Hello and welcome. This is Kevin, also known as AWOL, and today we're just going to do a short, quick rant. You may remember this pattern here. This is 41551, and we did a few different variations on it. We changed the length of this inner part here, this bit. Because that's really easy. If you can extend it by one, you can shorten it by one, you can do whatever. So I was looking for some other patterns to maybe work on, and I came across this one. This is 41695, and I was like, oh, this is interesting because what they did different is this area right here, right? Instead of just going straight to the end like this does right here, this little bit, they go outwards and bring out the colors, which is kind of cool, right? My gripe is this end has 3 white, and then the next one is what? 2, 3, 4, 5 of the secondary colors, right? It just grows and grows. Look at this side. Look over here. This has more. It doesn't make sense. They didn't even make it symmetrical. It's like I don't know what happened, but it's either way could look cool, but not like this in the pattern. This does not make any sense to me, and this is why I insist that you guys should learn how to generate your own patterns. Choose which end you like better. Do you like the fact that this side sort of goes into it a bit? I don't know. It's a different feel. The white comes out, it expands all of a sudden. That means the next one expands more, right? Or do you prefer this? Me personally, I would prefer this side because it sort of has just the way that the white stays out to here, the way that this one stays out to here. This side makes sense. The other side does not. And so I just wanted to make a quick video to point out that this is why we don't just follow patterns blindly. Look for the details, look for intent. I suspect that this was just a mistake over here, or if we were thinking more, I don't know, like maybe somebody, maybe there's another pattern like this somewhere else, and this was their way to make it different. Like that's a more cynical look at it, and maybe that's it. Maybe this is how you pass off having a new pattern that's different because it's weird. I don't know. I don't know who makes these patterns. I don't know why it's this way. But I know that there's something fundamentally wrong with it. I'm not going to recreate patterns for this one. I'm not even going to include this video on my website. I just kind of wanted to rant a little bit about this and show you guys what kind of stuff is out there. Because honestly, if I was looking at somebody posting a picture of this bracelet, I would say you did it wrong. There's something wrong with it, and this is why. So thanks for giving me a chance to rant. Thank you for hanging out this long, and thanks to my Patreon supporters who make my videos possible. And yeah, don't get your strings in a bunch.